My name is Anjali Gulab Tiwari and currently I am in 11th grade, but I took a gap year. I got to know about a policy called Right to Education, Section 12C, RTE Section 12C, and that's when I realized there are a lot of policy that is made, but people aren't aware of it. So why don't I take it as a project? So I just went and made people aware of the project, about the policy. We had a proper team in our school. We had 3 teams. Team number 1 was before making people aware, it's some first thing we need to make ourselves aware, right? So we read about the policies, we read everything, what the policy contains, what are the information we need to collect for making people aware. And then we had people who are just going around in the area and doing surveys. So we did surveys, we got information about kids who are not going to school, kids who are going to school. And RT only goes for kids who are in between age of 3 to 6. So we made sure we are getting their age, we are getting their personal numbers, we are asking them about their things. And then there was a team which collect all this information, and people who are eligible for it, we call them and we ask them to come and fill the form. The project has been taken past 3 years, but first 2 years it just clashed because of our exams and everything. But then last year we were like, we need to finish this up, we need to fill the form properly, and we need to make sure at least one. So our goal was at least one kid should get into school. But then we got 7 different kids into private schools, highest income private school in Pune, and one of the kid even got through a Delhi public school as well. At the same time, so when I see people right now, if their neighbor got selected, they came to me and they asked me, can you fill my kid form as well? They went themselves online and filled their own forms. So it's just not creating impact on their family as well as the people around them. I think this is the best place where I get a lot of more ideas, more people coming with different projects, right? This is just a little project I am doing. What about people who are doing project about gender equality, which I was interested but I wasn't able to do in my school time. So there are a lot of things which I was interested, but there has been time where I wasn't able to do it, right? So I can maybe learn from them and see what projects they are doing, maybe see how are they coming up with ideas, maybe see how are they solving things up. So this year I only did it in my school, but next year I want every Pune school to just go and make people aware of the RT Section 12C, because there are a lot of schools which are like a good private income school, but they didn't tell people about it because 25% seat definitely has to be reserved, right? So I want to like collect all my different school kids and just make them aware of it.